Two families torn apart by murder had their say in a Williamson County courtroom. Randy Maidens pleaded guilty to a lesser charge of second-degree murder for killing his wife, Rachel. It happened in the couple's Brentwood home last year. News Channel 5's Mark Bellinger listened to what Maidens had to say to the couple's 2-year-old daughter. Mark.
That's right, Vicki. In the courtroom, Maidens' attorney called it an act of contrition that included Maidens speaking directly to his child.
Natalie, my daughter, I can never express how sorry I am for taking your mother away from you. You have lost both of your parents, and it is all my fault. Know that you were the most important thing in your mother's life. I have hurt the people I love the most, you and your mother. Sorry is not enough.
Natalie, who was 2 years old at the time, was at the center of a lot of the conversation. Rachel's family also spoke about her. They made it clear they agreed to the plea deal because they thought it was in her best interest.
His punishment is far too light for the brutality of the evil that he's done. We would like to point out that there would not have been any consideration of a plea agreement for this senseless and horrible murder of Rachel, but that for the fact that Natalie and what's best for Natalie is the most important thing in this case.
When police discovered Rachel shot to death in the couple's Brentwood home, they found Natalie in her crib.
She frequently brings up that she does not have a mother. She's quite aware of her family situation, and she also wants to know and frequently wants to say, please, Gigi, don't go to heaven. Don't let anything happen to you.
In exchange for Maidens' guilty plea to second-degree murder, prosecutors dropped 2 tampering with evidence charges and a charge of DUI.
No prison is worse than what I have inflicted upon myself. To the rest of Rachel's family and friends, I'm truly sorry for all the pain and for all the moments that could have been.
Maidens was sentenced to 25 years in prison. His attorney, David Rabin, told me just a few minutes ago, while there's no parole, if he behaves, he could be released after serving 21 years.